Oh yeah, nothing did happen. I'm swapping out the hood shocks on my ML55 AMG right here. Let me show you what I got. I got this from, I opened the door already anyway. I got this from Amazon. Let me bring it out. Right here. I'm gonna swap it out. I checked it out on YouTube and I think I can do it. It's pretty easy. That's what they said, but let's do it. Let's try this thing out. Let's see. Open the hood. Okay, that's open. Let me get something to hold the hood up. This is the stuff I normally use to hold the hood up. We're working on this one today. Let me open it. This, then up. You see, it won't stay up just because of this little shocks over here, and there's another one there. What I normally do is, well, we're gonna use this to hold this place up for now. Okay, and that one is standing right here. Next thing we're going to do is, first we're going to change this one first. Let me get the screwdrivers and let's do this. Okay. Now I got the screwdriver. The thing is, you're gonna try and get this clip. You'll get it open and get it out there like that. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but let's try. Okay, the one is out. Now I need this thing that is not holding it no more. Let's try and do this again. Yeah, oh yeah. I had to go get a stick to do this, but the little pliers couldn't hold the hood up no more. I had to go get this one, this heavy duty stick. Now let's continue. I'm gonna take the other clip off. It's right. The little clip fell in here. The one from the. Let me get it off. Yeah, I got the bounced off before, but let's put that here. Let's get this one right there. Okay, I got it out. That's the clip for that one. Now let's put this over here. Let me bring the new. That's the new one. Then what you're gonna do is, see this clip over here. You bring it out. Once you bring that out. That's the clip. We put it back in there. Then you put this somehow. Yeah, now it's in. What you do is pop this clip back in. Yep, it's in. Now this one, how are you gonna do it? Let me use a plier. this you don't have to take the clip off, just push it in. That's it. We're good. You don't have to take the clips off. A little mistake that I made over there, I took the clip off that one, then put it back in. But you don't have to. You just, put the thing over here and push it in, and goes in a minute. That took us a minute. Not even a minute, 2 seconds. But you see, right now, goes back, and it's holding on its own. Let's close it. Make sure you don't have any tools lying around. It's closed. Then let's open. Now, pull the clip up. Voila! We're good. Another thing we took care of on the ML55 AMG. I love this car. I love it. I love it. Look at it. That took us less than a minute. And this one took a little bit of time because we took the clip out. We're not so. One other thing, if you want to do this, get it. Once you get it, don't take this clip out. Don't take it out. Don't take that clip out. Just put it over there and push it in. Put it over there and push it in. But we took the clip out and it took us a little minute to put the clip back in. But we got it in anyway. But on this side, we didn't have to take this clip off. And the other clip over there, what we just did was we just pushed it and it went in, and pushed this and it went in. And that's it. You don't have to take the clip off. That's a mistake that I made, and you don't have to make that. All right, guys. See you guys. Peace out.